Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got yet another unboxing video. Alright, guys, so yes, we do have a brand new unboxing video for you guys today. We got another, as you can see from the box, another Jordan 1 unboxing today. I was able to pick these things up from DTLR. To be honest, I'm gonna say this right now. I have another unboxing too, that I'm gonna have after this video. DTLR has been probably the best as far as raffle systems go. I mean, I entered the raffle, hit these, hit the other shoes that I'll show you in the next video. I don't know. I don't know if I'm just super lucky, but hey, I'm not complaining. So let's get right into this. We got the official tag right here. Alright, so getting right into that official tag, we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is white, bleached coral, and black. Size 11.5. My true to size for Air Jordan 1s. Getting that top off. Whew, get that nice strong Jordan 1 smell right out the gate here. Like I've said to you guys previously in a couple videos now, this is my favorite Jordan silhouette. So whenever I can pick up another pair, there's nothing better. So taking these things out of the packaging, yes sir, we do have the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze. Now I know that this shoe is actually technically early because these things are now releasing July 2nd on the Sneakers app, on the Foot Locker app, on Champs, JD Sports, and Finish Line, all the above. The only way you guys could have gotten this was from literally DTL on the app. This is the only way you could have gotten them. You could have purchased them that day, or you signed up for the raffle and won them that way. So getting right into it, you guys can see we have that bleached coral extra set of laces right there, as well as they do come with a white pair. In the shoes, they come with black. I think the black looks fine. If not, you know, you throw that coral or you throw that white in, whatever kind of floats your boat, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's get into it. So leather on this toe box is actually pretty good. But yes, that leather on the toe box is actually pretty good. It is pretty soft. And you guys can see that crackling. Let's see if you guys can see that crackling right there on the toe box. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. So this has that crackling, that like crackle dye that they're putting into the shoes right now. They're putting it into a lot of shoes, right? This one, hint at the next shoe that's coming out on the channel right here. That one has it as well. The Chicago 2022 remastered versions are also going to have that crackled. I don't know to what extent that they're going to have that. But yeah, man. These things are nice, bro. They're literally, you know, I did an unboxing of the military black 4s. This is basically the 1's version of it, right? Because it has that gray suede on the back, that gray suede. It's got the white and it's got the black. The only thing that's different is obviously it's got that little bleach coral hit right here on the tongue. And also, let me get those bags out of there. And also inside as well on the insole. Outsole is that Stage Haze or that fog gray. On the side, you got that black Nike swoosh with the crackle. On the side, we do have that nice white leather. It's pretty soft. I wouldn't call it like a super tumbled leather, but it's kind of tumbled. At least it's textured. You guys can see right here what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can see it's like it's textured. It's not super tumbled, but it is definitely textured. We got the Wings logo in black right there. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think about these things, man? These things are super clean to me. Probably, honestly, my favorite pickup for Jordan 1s of the year. That's just me personally. I mean, this shoe can literally go with anything. It's just a white, black, and gray shoe. I know some people were saying, like, as far as this goes, they wish that either this was black or this going up to the collar, like where the white is right here, was also this suede, and maybe it would go a little bit more cohesive along the backside. But listen, I mean, what are you gonna do, man? These things are clean. If you like them, you like them. If not, you don't. it's kind of like, I don't know, everybody's kind of picking apart Jordan 1s right now, and it's really kind of just preference at this point, you know. What do you guys like? What do you guys want to buy? The resale market is not going crazy right now for anything in particular, so it's kind of like, if you're gonna buy something, buy it because you like it. Don't buy it just because they're selling out and whatnot. You know what I mean? That's just my personal opinion. You know, if you're just into sneakers for reselling, that's fine. You know, that's fine. You know, like, listen, I resell shoes as well, but if you're gonna buy something and then just nitpick it, if you're not selling it, then don't buy it. You know what I mean? Don't buy a shoe that either A, you're not gonna resell, or B, you don't like. Don't get something that you're not gonna like, because then you're never gonna be happy with it. So anyway, yeah, that's my 2 cents. What I did want to show off real quick is this extra tag now that some of these Jordan 1s are coming out with. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but yeah, so now all the shoes that are gonna have that crackled look on them, okay, are gonna have come with this little tag right here, and it's gonna say, please note, natural cracks seen on the upper is normal due to the random crackle ink application. It also has like some Chinese lettering and everything on there as well. You can see it on the top. I thought that that's actually pretty interesting, that now that they're gonna come with these things, basically telling whoever's gonna buy these things, like, hey, it's meant to look like that. That's what we're going for. It's not a defect. So I guess now people who get these things just for resale, and then they notice that they're not going for crazy amounts, now they can't return it, or, you know, fault Nike or whatever and say, hey, my shoe's falling apart, my shoe's cracking. No, man, it's meant to be that way. But yeah, guys, please let me know what you guys think about these things right here. The Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze. Are you going to pick them up? Are you not? Let me know down in the comment section below. And that's pretty much going to do it for me, guys. So if you did enjoy the video, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss another one of my videos. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze, we're out. Peace.